Hari Om, everyone. Today we are providing you the last video for your course, and we are giving you once again we are repeating that sun salutation Surya Namaskar as per scripture saying of yogic path, that Surya Namaskar the sun salutation, is by itself entire sequences, entire education. It is actually the course or is the pose which you can practice on your busy schedule, and if you are practicing that only, it keeps you up to your level. So on your busy days, on your busy schedule, when you don't have plenty of time, when you don't have enough time to practice entire routine, entire sequence of morning or afternoon, then you can practice 1 or 2 rounds of salute to the sun, and then 5 to 10 minutes of pranayam, 5 to 10 minutes of silent sitting, and you are done. Means in between 25 to 30 minutes you are done for your day. So this is for your busy schedule. Today we are planning to give you that video. I wish you people will master the salute to the sun. Basically entire sequence, whatever we provided you, all the poses, all the training, you have to master. You cannot depend on the videos. You cannot depend on watching it on the screen and then practice. You have to master the sequence. You have to master entire flow of the course, flow of the poses, flow of the training, and then apply it without being dependent on any materialistic or social kind of outer link. So it is within. Once the knowledge is within, then it becomes the wisdom. Then you are not dependent. So you can enjoy it with your total attendance. Even then your eyes are closed. You are really deeply aware. You are not waiting for listening any instruction from anyone. You are totally educated. You are totally there. Then you enjoy the practice. Then the output, then the benefit comes out of it is very high. So I wish that you people will master it. It may take time. Mastering the yoga sequence, remembering, memorizing, it takes time. It demands the compassion, it demands the love, it demands the surrenderness towards the daily routine and the practice. So the Surya Namaskar Asana for your course, the last video. After that, any of your question, any of your query during the years, whenever you get, you have our contact, you can contact me or Alenka. Okay, and the question will be answered either by audio clip, audio file, or by in text. So please be seated, take your seat, be aware. As per Vedic system, always, even we are doing it for busy schedule, but the beginning prayers are essential. This is the ground to purify the environment, to balance our inner and outer self. So please focus on the breath. Stand up on your seat. onto the corner of your seat. Attain the standing pose, the Samasthiti as per Tristhana method. When your heels together, toes slightly apart, both feet holding equal weight of the body. You are more calm, collect, aware, more focus. As per Vedic system of doing any master pose, we chant the Oms. Surya Namaskar is the longest training. It's the sequence of the many poses. So the Oming of all the 7 chakras. First 3 Om for your lower 3 chakras in same position. So breathe in. Now your hands to your side. Another 2 Om for your middle 2 chakras. Hands to the front salute position. Another 2 Om for your upper 2 chakras. Keep your hand as it is. Apart your legs slightly. So the feet are apart like 2 to 4 inches, and then inhaling, drop your hand down and go up high, and then over to your spine, the hand lifting pose, Hasuttanasana. You are trying to stretch your calf and thighs upward, hip upward, and then stretching your chest, front part, and going over, and then exhaling in a smooth flow to going at the front. Check the length. Hastpadasana, hand to feet pose. Check the breath. You can do 2 deep breathing round. You can inhale, maintain 6 to 10 seconds, and while you exhale, try to go more better on the pose. Try to drop your spine more free, head more free. When you done your 2 deep breathing round, then on third inhalation, you bend your knees up, place your palm next to your feet, and take your right leg back. Fix the pose nicely, the Aswapadasana. Check your head and the spine in one line. Be calm, connect, aware. Another 2 deep breathing round here. When you are breathing, maintaining, exhaling. And then on third, inhaling, bring your another leg back to the plank pose, Ugrasana noble pose. Match your heel to heel, toes to toes, and hip with the line of the spine. Same the breathing, each time you inhale, maintain 6 to 10 seconds. Means the every position you are holding about 12 to 20 seconds. And then inhaling, raise your hip high, keep your hand as it is, walk by your feet, step by step, 1 or 2 steps towards your hands to get to the mountain pose, the Parvatasana, the next position. And same, once you are fixed to the pose, bring your attendance to the prana, check the breath. Another 2 deep breathing round here for Mountain pose, Parvatasana. And inhaling, slide your feet all the way, let your knee touch the ground, elbows and chin and chest. Ashtanga Manasana. Exhale here. And then inhaling, raise your head and shoulder up to the Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Check the breath, check the lungs, be calm, connect well. It is one breath pose, so you only inhale once and then exhaling go down. Back to Ashtanga Manasana. Breathe out, exhale. And then inhaling to the child pose, Sasankasana. This is relaxation pose, so smooth your breath. Breathe very normal. Try to relax your lungs here. Give yourself time. And then inhaling, jump to the Parvatasana, mountain pose. Match your toes to toes, heel to heel, knees to knees, heels on the ground. Stretch, raise your hip as high as you can. The Parvatasana. Check the breath. And inhaling, the right knee forward. Back to the Ashwapadasana, Ashwasanchalanasana, horse riding pose. Another 2 deep breathing round. Pay attention on the prana. Be very calm, very steady. Aware to your inner self. And inhaling, another leg, knee straight, hands to the ground or to the feet. Check the breath, check the pose. Another 2 deep breathing round. Here you are breathing, but same time you are relaxing your lungs. You are making ready yourself to go up. So you need to relax your lungs same time. So breathe in such a way that all the pressure goes out. And then in final, exhaling, open eyes there first, and now keep your eyes open and inhaling go up. In a smooth flow all the way back. Give a moment and then exhaling to the front salute position. And then you may lay down. Savasana. Dead body pose, relax. You can do 1 round of Salute to the Sun, or you can do 2 rounds of Salute to the Sun by replaying your video or by pausing it if you memorize the sequence. Depend on you. But this pose is by itself entire education. So if you are busy, you don't have that much time to practice long sessions of the yoga training, yoga wisdom, then you do your Salute to the Sun, then you do little bit of your pranayam, and then you do little bit of your japa or silent sitting, your meditation, and you are done. And it's very easy that you can find out of your busy schedule also, like about half an hour for yourself. And just half an hour is quite enough to maintain your level alive, to maintain yourself where you are with your training and everything, not bringing a big gap or big breaks into your training. After that, if you are doing the pranayam, then you can do Anulom Vilom, prana balancing, which you know already. Then you can sit for your japa for 5 to 10 minutes, and you can go for your silent sitting. So this is the Salute to the Sun for you. I wish you people will enjoy and get mastered. From our side, Hari Om. Take care, enjoy. We'll be getting back to you soon. We are planning to have a teacher training course very soon coming. We will inform you. Hopefully We will see you there also, because that gonna be very intermediate, that gonna be little advanced, and we gonna train you to teach and share your knowledge to others. With prayers, Hari Om.